Hey cuties, and welcome back to another Vlogtober episode. Today I'm going to do something a little different from my typical content, and I'm sharing 25 girly businesses that you can start today. Whether you're into fashion, beauty, lifestyle, digital products, or services, I've got a mix of fun and creative ideas that are totally doable. So if you've ever thought about starting your own small business, this video is your sign to start. I'm going to break all of this down into 5 categories so you can skip through to whichever category resonates best for you. These are our 5 categories: fashion and accessories, beauty and self-care, lifestyle and decor, creative and digital, and services and social. In each of those categories, I'm going to give you 5 ideas that you can run with or tweak to fit your personality, your brand, whatever it is that you want to be and do in life. Let's get right into it. You can start your own bow and hair clip business. It's perfect if you love crafts or already have a Cricut. You can also start a scrunchie business. Super affordable to start, and scrunchies are always in demand. Next, you can also start a girly phone case business. You can design them, you can rhinestone them, or you can even drop ship them. That's an option now too in this day and age. Drop shipping is super easy to do if you have very little funds or no funds to start at all. My next suggestion, you can start a girly thrift boutique where you upcycled old clothes into new, cute, trendy pieces. Think like boutiques that you would find on Depop, eBay, places that specialize in personalized clothing and vintage clothing. Our next category is beauty and self-care. This is great if you love makeup and pampering products like body lotions, body soaps, that kind of stuff. I love buying lip gloss, so if you have a lip gloss business, this is your time to shine. Tag down below your favorite lip glosses and your favorite small business lip gloss brands, because I do want to try new lip glosses and I love all of the lip glosses I've been trying so far. That was a bonus suggestion, but my 5 suggestions are a press-on nail business. Press-on nails are big and trending right now in the current financial climate. A lot of people don't want to go to the nail salon and get their nails done, so press-ons are holy grail right now for a lot of girlies. You can also do handmade bath bombs. They're fun to make, and you can make so many cute aesthetic styles. To piggyback off of bath bombs, you can do custom soaps, like these cute little soap bars that you guys see all over YouTube. All of these cute different kinds of soaps, these cute artesian soap, those are really trendy and popular right now. You can even start your own lash business. Lashes will never go out of style. If I could wear lashes and have glasses on, I would. I know I can, but sometimes my regular lashes get too long for glasses, and I hate it because they be rubbing up against it. Ugh, never mind, I'm off topic. Even if you're like a lash artist, you can sell lashes on the side. You can of course do candle making as well. I love candles. I'm a candle girl. I actually want to add candles to my website. I want some cool different shaped candles, like the body shaped candle. I want like a brain shaped candle. I want different cutesy decorative candles. So if you use those ideas and you make a brain candle, let me know, because I will purchase a brain candle from you. The next category is lifestyle and decor. These are the businesses that add cuteness to your everyday life. You can do a girly sticker shop where you can sell cute physical or even digital stickers. I love digital stickers. I use Procreate and I use GoodNotes a lot. Stickers are very practical. Stickers are typically a good seller if you have a cute and original design. You can also sell keychains and charms. I sell keychains also, so I'm no stranger to selling keychains. I love cute and different little keychains that you can add to your bags and your keys. I actually have one of these on my key ring right now, and it just looks so adorable. I get so many compliments when I'm out and about and have my keys in my hand. Keychains, easy to sell, easy to make, and they're pretty cost effective depending on where you source them from. You can also do custom tumblers and mugs. I also do custom tumblers. I actually have one right here. This is my snowflake tumbler, which will be a part of my Christmas drop this year. Yes, I'm already working on Christmas. I know it's Vlogtober, so it's just October, but you have to get ahead in the game if you are a small business or a boutique boutique. I'm working on getting my whole winter line together right now. But that's a custom cup that I made with my Cricut. You can start a blanket business, or you can also start a stationery shop. Blankets, everybody loves blankets. It's about to be the winter time. It's, fall season. I love a good blanket. I have a blanket right here on the back of my chair, actually. I got that in the first video of Vlogtober, I believe. And stationery is self-explainable. You can make cute notepads, cute pins. You can make cute sticky notes. Sticky notes are really, really popular right now, and notepads are really popular right now. Hop on that if you want to start a stationery shop. And a stationery shop can go hand in hand with a sticker shop. If you're selling stationery, you might as well sell stickers. So that's 2 business ideas that you can make into one business. Okay, so this category is my absolute favorite: creative and digital businesses. Perfect if you want to work online or work from home. You can make digital planners and journals and sell them on Etsy. You can make Canva templates and sell them on Etsy and create a Fabrica. And with those Canva templates, you can make like email templates, blog templates, and a really trendy one lately is social media posts. You can make like these theme packs of social media posts that are all matchy and give your brand a cohesive look. So that's another good idea also. Girly stock photos is something that I don't see many people do. Just last week, I bought a $15 stock photo pack for some of my t-shirts so that I didn't have to go and buy all of the shirts in the colors that I wanted. Stock photos are great for small business owners, especially if you're making custom t-shirts. You can also tap into the custom stock photo market if you're good with doing flat lay photos. So that's a good idea. You can get into stock photos. If you have a camera, a good quality camera, or even if your iPhone or your phone camera has really good quality, take some stock photos. You can even use yourself as a stock model. I know a couple people that have used themselves as stock models. So just go out and purchase the blank t-shirt, like a blank Comfort Colors t-shirt, or go out and buy a blank hoodie and go take some pictures of yourself in it, and you can sell those pictures of yourself to small business owners. You can also do girly fonts and clip arts. I love buying fonts. If I can't find it on defont.com, 9 times out of 10 I will buy it on like Create a Fabrica or Etsy. It all just depends on what the font is. You can also sell social media presets like filters for Instagram and TikTok that you can add into like places like Photoshop and Lightroom, where you can add your own custom filters. Now we're gonna move on over to category number 5 and give you guys the last 5 suggestions of services and social, because you can totally start your own business without having to sell any product. Like Pinterest marketing, you can help small businesses grow their Pinterest. These are my current Pinterest stats, and that's just with me reposting everything that I post over on my Instagram, auto posting it to my Pinterest. Custom branding kits sell really well on Etsy also. You can do like logos, color charts, and cool templates for like their website and things. You can also tap into affiliate marketing, which is like promoting products through TikTok shop or even through Instagram. You can do a lot through Instagram. Don't sleep on Instagram. You can still make money on Instagram as a small business and a small influencer. You just have to know how to play your cards right. If you see a small business, 9 times out of 10, if you reach out to them, they will send you a free product. Don't reach out to me though, because I have a whole process for choosing my brand ambassadors. If you're interested, you're more than welcome to go to my website and apply. That's something that you're interested in, but you do have to be active on Instagram and TikTok. Most definitely active on TikTok, because TikTok is my highest platform right now, I think, and I'm at like 1,400 followers. Instagram, I only have like 140 followers, so it's nothing over on Instagram. But TikTok is my main platform, so I really want my girlies to be active on TikTok so that we can interact with each other and we can spread the love and joy of Daisy. Aside from affiliate marketing, you can do event planning. Think birthdays, bachelorette parties, baby showers, housewarming parties. And my final suggestion for you guys, if you want to start a small business, you can also start product photography. You have a phone, use it. You have a camera, use it. I know y'all, 90% of y'all, I'm not gonna say all of y'all, 90% of y'all have these fancy cameras like the DJI Osmo cameras. You have GoPros, you have the newest iPhone camera, the newest Samsung camera. Use it. There are people out here making music videos, high quality music videos with iPhones. So grab your phone, go out and take some product photos for these small businesses. I don't have time to take pictures of everything that I have, which I need to sit down and take some time to sort through my Depop stuff and post up some more of that. Like, that's something that you can offer to somebody. Like, if you know that there's a big creator in your area and you live nearby them and you're not creepy in any kind of way, offer them your help. You never know. They might need a hand with their Depop, their Macari, their Poshmark. And that's it, cutie. 25 girly businesses that you can start today. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love y'all so much. But I'm also going to be posting YouTube shorts every single day that try to go along with the day's video or the next day's video to kind of give you a sneak peek at some of the things that we got going on here at Daisy Boutique. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with the rest of my Vlogtober series. I will see you guys when I see y'all. Bye. And I cannot trust you, and I'm forced to let you go. That's what's spreading.